Welcome to stemeXe. This video tutorial will demonstrate how stemeXe can be used by students, parents, and teachers for a full digital learning experience. As a student, I will be able to view my school's feed, which includes the latest announcements made by my school's administration or teachers. This allows me to be always updated with the latest news, announcements, or instructions. I can also interact by liking and commenting on those announcements from here. Announcements are very useful for schools to stay in touch with the students and parents. They provide them with continuous guidance and educate them during this change. To view my learning schedule, I will click on Events tab here. This will show me the schedule of my upcoming classes and give me access to attend them. When I click on a certain class, I will have a link to attend it remotely. Using this easily accessed schedule, I will not miss any of my classes. To view my courses list, I will go to Library. Clicking on the course's title will show me more details about that course, which includes an introductory video, course description, and the teacher's contact details, where I can directly contact this course's teacher by clicking here. I can scroll down to find videos, worksheets, and other related studying material associated with this course. For example, clicking on videos will take me to the subject's recorded chapters. Here I can watch and learn. I can also submit my requests to the school directly using the Requests tab here. I can add a new request by clicking on the plus icon, pick the request type from the list, fill the corresponding details, and finally submit. These requests will be directed to their corresponding department in the school to be fulfilled as soon as possible. Parents will also have access to submit and track those requests. Finally, I can go to my profile to view and update my personal information. Also, I can invite my classmates to join me in my amazing digital learning experience. As a student and as a parent, I will always have the option to chat with my classmates, teachers, and school staff from here. In addition to chat, we can also optionally provide you with the below based on your request and specific needs: activity management, one-to-one tutoring, tutorials, and exams.